What's the secret behind those super productive people you admire? Spoiler, it's all about repetition. Welcome to the fascinating world of habits. You're tuning into the first part of our series on shaping your subconscious through repetition. Today, we're diving into how consistent repeat actions can transform your everyday life. Did you know that every time you repeat an action, you're actually wiring your brain to make that behavior more automatic? That's right. According to a study in the European Journal of Social Psychology, it takes about 66 days of regular practice to form a new habit. That means consistency isn't just helpful, it's essential. Let's break it down with a simple example. Imagine you want to start reading more. By setting a fixed time each day to immerse yourself in books and sticking to it, you're on your way to making reading a natural part of your day. And here's the kicker. The more you repeat an action, the stronger those neural connections in your brain become. Eventually, what once required effort becomes almost effortless. So, whether you're aiming to eat healthier, exercise more, or even learn a new language, remember, consistency is your best friend. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore how positive reinforcement can boost the habit formation process. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell to never miss an update. Catch you in the next one.